Hello friend, welcome to my channel Upskill with Dharmendra. So friend, this part is the continuation of the where we were trying to install UiPath Community Edition. So friend, this installation is done. You will see download complete, install complete. So let me do close. Uh, then what it will happen? Okay. So you can see everything is refreshing now. Let it get refreshed. I think it did not load it successfully. So this is basically a UiPath Cloud, and this is UiPath Studio. So what are the features available here? Agents and all that. Yeah. So basically this is, you can say, this is UiPath Studio Wave. Okay. So in Wave only we have the feature to develop and do all the things. And these are all options available. Agentic process, agents, RPA workflow, API workflow, app, all that. And how I came to this page. Once you will open Cloud UiPath, you will have to register to your email ID. Then see, I have registered with my email ID and with this name. So by default it is saying Cloud UiPath Upskill with Dharmendra Studio. When I will go to this orchestrator feature, it will open the orchestrator environment. Okay, this is the UiPath Cloud Orchestrator looks like. One by one, I will let you know everything about automation, queues, asset, everything we will discuss in detail. If we will see next feature, the studio, I have let you know, then Maestro. So all the features we will let you know, friend, one by one. Okay. So this was the second part of the installation, where the installation is done. Okay. So let me practice this little bit. I will let you know these features. And once you will practice and all, then you will get a good opportunity to work in automation field. Okay, friend. So in next video, I will let you know more details on this. Okay. So thank you. Take care and do subscribe to my channel. I will keep posting all the importance and latest video on this channel. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.